So you want to know why your edits are stuck at 2K views? I'll tell you straight. You're doing this wrong. Let me show you how a real pro does it. First thing, you need a phone to upload. Ugh, since Senpai won't pay me, I'm just gonna steal her phone. Her wallet, too! All right, now we're ready. Listen carefully. This part decides everything. If you want your shorts to blow up, your average view percentage must be 120% to 140%. That's how you get millions, not thousands. And listen, if 70% of people aren't staying to watch, your edit is ass. Fix it. Do better. Always upload clean edit. It's not just Always check YouTube and YouTube Studio before every upload. There are two ways to get views. The easy way, the hard way. Let's talk about the easy way first. First, search for a goat editor like Omaru Manga, then steal his edit like a motherfucking bitch. Throw that shit into CapCut. Deep fry it with Smart Sharpen until the quality looks like absolute dog shit. Slap a big ass watermark like you actually worked for it. You didn't do shit, little bro. Use a random hashtag like Denzel, post that shit, and boom! 50M views. My bad. That wasn't me. That was Kakarot inside me. Now let me show you the right way. First, got to the search bar and search for Jujutsu Kaisen Season 3. Now click the three dots in the top corner and open the search filters. Change the upload date to this week and set it to prioritize popularity. This isn't magic, it's just facts. This shows you exactly what people are clicking on right now. See these? These are the videos getting all the views. If you want to blow up, you need to see what these editors are doing right. Then make yours 10 times better. Look at this! A Tengen edit hit 1M views using Push the Feeling. We're not just watching it, we're gonna remake it and make it even better. Your edit is done. Now export correctly. Aspect ratio 1.1 or 4.5, best ratios for viral edits. Resolution 1440p, FPS 60 FPS, quality full/max. Now click the plus button. Now listen carefully. Click video, not short. If you upload as a short, YouTube will force 916 and completely fuck up your 1.1 or 4.5 layout. Upload it as a video to keep your edit clean. Pick a thumbnail that actually grabs attention. Add a clean title. Use 3 relevant hashtags. Do not make it public yet. Set the video to unlisted. Upload it and wait 20 minutes. This lets YouTube fully process your 1440p quality. Before you hit publish, don't be a ghost. Reply to every single comment. This tells YouTube, this is a real creator, not a dead account. The trending audio hack. Never use old dead music. Find a fresh funk track. Released in the last 3 months, already has millions of views. Stop treating your channel like a trash can. If you post JJK today, Blue Lock tomorrow, Random Brain Rot the next day, congrats, you killed your channel. Algorithm warm-up, upload 3 edits in a row from the same anime. This teaches YouTube who your audience is. Example, Hajime Anime. His first 2 edits didn't go crazy, but he didn't quit. By that 3rd high-effort upload, the algorithm finally woke up and gave him those 270k plus views. Edit only what's trending. Stop wasting time on old shit. Focus on Jujutsu Kaisen, Season 3, Blue Lock, Hell's Paradise, Season 2. This is what people are searching right now. Editing styles to avoid. Never become a skull editor. These bitch-ass are not creators. They're thieves. Stealing other content. No one asked for credit, lil bro. Steal is steal. Slapping skull emojis. Adding Smart Sharpen until it looks deep fried as shit. Follow this path and YouTube will demonetize you. Kill your channel. Never push your content. Remember this, your whole career exists because of other creators. Twitter template edits. This shit looks so ass. Lazy, ugly, unmonetizable. You might get views, but you'll make 0 money working for free like a clown. Heiko editing style. Looks cool. High effort, but it's best for TikTok, not for YouTube. Editing styles that work. Meme style. Fast growth. Easy to make. People laugh and people share. Fajan and Akimbo-kun. Editing style. For Jujutsu Kaisen, these 2 are the best. They are the kings for a reason. Great quality. They don't use too many filters. They show clean, beautiful animation that looks high-end. The Blue Lock Champion, Wikisawa Style. If you love Blue Lock, Wikisawa is the #1 creator. The best shakes. His screen shakes are smooth and match the music perfectly. Now go back to your unlisted video and follow these. Click the 3 dots on your video and select Edit. Fill the description. This is very important. You need to add lots of search words so people can find you. Use words like Jujutsu Kaisen Season 3 and many more. Add your tags. Go to the tag section and add simple words like music, funny, manga edit, and trending. This tells YouTube exactly who should see your video. Pick the right category. Make sure your category is set to entertainment. This is the best spot for anime edits. Go public. Change your video from unlisted to public. Save and upload, hit that save button, and let your edit fly. The waiting game. Now put your phone down and go do something else. Check tomorrow. We are going to wait until tomorrow to see how many views we got. I showed you all of Senpai's secrets. No more excuses. If she can hit 1 million views, you can too. Subscribe for more tips. See you later, guys. Have a beautiful day or night.